trekking lesson. Today, we will be learning the difference between hiking and trekking. So are you all guys ready? Great! Hiking is an outdoor activity of walking in natural environments, often on a pre-charted paths called hiking trails. While trekking is a long journey on a non-designated paths which could last several days and could be challenging. It is more intense and energetic than hiking. Trekking is done in areas where there is no means of transport, in areas of great natural beauty, usually in mountainous area. Before heading for a hiking and trekking activities, we need to bring some equipments for us to be ready at all times. For hiking, it depends on the weather if it is day or overnight. Shoes is applicable to the hiking terrain. We need to bring water for us if we got thirsty, a compass for a direction, and sometimes a hiking pole. Backpack with survival kit, the food and medicine for overnight hiking. For trekking activities, we need to bring survival kit, camping gear, boots, compass, clothing applicable to changes in temperature, especially if in mountainous area. So we already learned the difference between trekking, hiking, and the equipments to bring with that activities. And of course, let us not forget the benefits of trekking and hiking. For trekking activities, experience the reach of flora and fauna, invigorate heart and lungs, mental benefits, and revamp your mood. Experience local cultures and local food, and disconnect from technology. For hiking activities, it lowers stress levels, improves mood, and enhances mental well-being. It also reduces risk for heart diseases and lowers blood pressure. That's all for today. Until next time.